try or be more interested than interesting. No doubt in this business, relationships do matter. And one of the questions I get all the time is how do we create strong relationship? And what we need to understand is that a strong relationships starts with genuine care. You really got to care about the individual you want to establish a relationship with. So one of the things I always tell people is like try or be more interested than interesting, which basically means that instead of trying to gain relationships by telling people how awesome you are, how great you are, and why they should have a relationship with you, do the opposite and try to be interested in that person and finding out more information about that person, about their business, what are the goals they're trying to reach, and then trying to figure out how you can add value to that person. And that works out best, being interested in that person, how you can add value to that person. The saying is, people don't care what you know until they know how much you care. So you can be the best at real estate, you can be the best at mortgages, but until you start caring about that person and showing genuine care, that relationship is not going to grow. It's not going to be a strong one. So that's where I would say, yeah, try to be more interested than interesting. Hope that helps.